Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our morning time, drive time update, guys. And hopefully everybody's doing pretty good. I'm out here over there. The beach is just over there, in case you're wondering. You can take a good look at that over there. So the beach is kind of like right over there, guys. So we got lots to talk about today. We're going to talk about, Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. We're going to talk about Luna Classic, and Luna Genesis, Luna 2.0 out there. So we got a lot to talk about, you guys have to really pay attention because there's something interesting that's happening right now, and this could indicate that we are definitely at the bottom, and we could be seeing a reversal coming in as well. So before we get into the details and get into the TA, just reminder out there that I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just the OG, and this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. And right now, a lot of you are kind of getting bored out there. We're seeing that Bitcoin has been kind of range bound for almost getting close to 3 weeks now. We have confirmed that the 9th consecutive week of a red candle is in the house. Dogecoin, my Doge Woes are out there. Doge has also just been kind of going sideways as well for about 3 weeks, and it's ranging. We did between 8 and 9 cents, but we did have a bit of a Elon Musk effect pump at around about 9 cents. So that was coming in, but that was kind of like an artificial pump because it was the whole Starlink merge thing. So basically we're just all range bound. We're seeing that Ethereum is above 1,800 bucks right now. Last week, we did have some turbulence for Ethereum out there because Ethereum, they had this whole testnet merge and they had some hiccups. So that kind of scared the market. A little bit of confidence went out of Ethereum, but that's all fixed. That's all back together right now. So up and coming May 31st, Luna 2.0 is going to be on Binance. So if you're one of the lunatics out there, you could expect that Lunas could have a bit of a pump happening when that happens, because Binance is the biggest exchange. Those holding Luna on Binance have not had their airdrops yet. So that's about to happen. Also, we're going to talk about it looks like the one of the big exchanges out there, one of the biggest APY companies that give you APY when you deposit your crypto. It looks like they could be one of the 7 wallets behind the whole Terra LUNA debacle out there. So we're going to quickly talk about that. We're going to talk about DXY, how that's going to affect the price of Bitcoin. We're going to talk about something, a little bit of a secret signal from Elon Musk out there as well. Looks like he's tweeting something up, and I must say I missed it. And then a friend of me sent me a message on Twitter saying, you got to take another look at this whole Elon Musk thing. So we're going to take a good look at that, and we're going to take a look at the price and see where we are. And from my perspective, I think that we could be seeing a reversal coming in June. Let's keep our fingers crossed that we see a reversal coming in June. Remember, crypto is very volatile. Everybody could say, the TA could say we get a reversal coming in, and in fact the reversal could not happen. So right now we have to just be very careful. I believe that we're the end of this bear cycle is over. I still think that we're in overall a big bull run on the longer time frame, but we're in kind of like a micro cycle of a bear cycle right now, and I think that's coming to an end. I'm going to show you proof of that, and you guys really have to pay attention to what I'm about to show you. So that's really cool. So I'm just sitting here on my balcony. It's my day off today, so I'm just kind of chilly willing out here, and hey, it's a resort. It can be pretty boring, you know what I mean? So it's like a bird in a golden cage. Everything around you is great, but it can get really boring. So where we are in Phu Quoc, it's an island. It's about a 45-minute flight from Ho Chi Minh City, and it's an island, so it's kind of rural, but the beach is nice. But from that perspective, it's a great place to visit, but I wouldn't want to live here. It's kind of boring. So from that perspective, so let's jump into it, guys. Let's absolutely jump into it right now. So let's get it while we can. I love it, you love it, and don't forget to go and boop the likes, smash the likes, and let's jump into the content without any further delay. You want it, I want it, guys. And don't forget one thing, guys. You have to take my video links and share it with your friends. You've got to get the message out there. Come on, guys. I believe that my channel is one of the only honest, straightforward, no bull, in your face. I'm going to tell you what's going on. If I think this crypto project's a turd out there, I'm going to tell you it's a turd. I just want people to be careful out there. I don't want people to get hyped into dumb projects from that perspective. So guys, don't forget to share, boop the likes, show some love, and if you're watching, don't forget to give super chat. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Let's get it, guys. So you can see here, this is basically what this is. This is a chart that indicates the length of the bear cycles here. And as you can see, back in 2014, the bear cycle was approximately about 404 days before we had a break to the upside. And then, that was followed by another downward trend and a consolidation for about 364 days. And that was in 2017. So that was almost like 1 year of consolidation out there before we broke to the upside. And then, in 2019, we saw another 261 days basically going sideways, going down in kind of like a huge accumulation phase. So what we're seeing right now in 2021, we're seeing something pretty similar, and it's about 200 days in this accumulation phase. And we've had nine consecutive candles for Bitcoin, and I believe that we're getting pretty close to reversal in the house. And one thing that's really interesting, you have to just look at the price. Back in 2014, you can see that the price, Bitcoin, had dropped all the way from like a high of 2,000, went down to $800, and then it had a reversal, went to the upside. Then 2018, we saw that Bitcoin was, around about 3,000 at the low, 8,000 at the top. And right now, you guys have to be very. I'm very excited to think that we've been in this accumulation phase for 200,000 days, about 200 days. But Bitcoin has held around $29,000. So this is very bullish, guys. And if this is the bottom, and if the reversal is in, even if we have to wait another 60 days, that's only about 2 months. So that would take us into June, July, August. So in August, that should be the reversal that we're all looking for. Worst case scenario, if we follow the previous down cycle. So this is pretty bullish, considering that Bitcoin has been trading sideways for about 200 days. So I'm pretty excited about that. What do you guys think? Smash the likes, boop the likes, show some love with super chats and comment, guys. Do you think that we're going to continue this downward sideways pattern for another 60 days, or we're going to get a reversal before August, guys? I'd love to hear what you guys are thinking about that. And this here is talking about the DXY, and every time the DXY gets above about 104, we often see this is when we see the bottoms for Bitcoin. So right now we're seeing that the DXY is actually right now it's reversing to the downside, and that's pretty good. And the DXY is about 101 right now. And every time that you can see, if you look at the chart here, you can see in 2017 we hit a top of about 105. Back in 2020 hit a top about 105, and this is when we had the Corona dump. And then remember, this chart is inverse to Bitcoin. So when it goes down, it's good for Bitcoin. When it goes up, it's not good for Bitcoin and crypto. So you need to understand that from that perspective. So right now we're seeing that the DXY is going down in the right direction, and this is indicative that we could be seeing more price strengthening for Bitcoin. And when the Bitcoin strengthens, then the altcoins are going to absolutely pump to the upside, guys. So that is what's going on. So this is also pretty much the same thing. This is a DXY, but you can really see where we start the tops and bottoms of the different markets. So you can see that when the DXY when the DXY hit 104, this was the bull market. Then from that perspective, it went all the way down, and then we hit the market top. You can see here, these are the market tops for 2021. That was when Bitcoin hit around about 69,000, and these are also the market tops for Bitcoin in 2018. So right now we're seeing that we're seeing that the start of the bull market has happened, because we peaked out at about 104, 105 on the DYX. That is starting to go down in the right direction. And if this continues to go down, down, we should have a huge reversal to the upside for Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin starts to pump, then the altcoins will start to pump, because we're seeing right now the altcoins are still bleeding out. A lot of the altcoins are down 60, 70%. And it's not uncommon that, when we're in a bear cycle, that it's not uncommon for some of the altcoins to basically vanish and disappear, or some of the altcoins to actually go down 90%, 97%. So that is why this is when the money is made, when you're buying the altcoins at these low and cheap prices. But you guys just have to be careful. Remember, diversification is key. I keep telling you that over and over, time and time again. Diversify 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, and another 25% in the top coins, guys. So keep on keeping on. We're still going to cover some of the altcoins and what the prices are and what's going on. We're going to be talking about Luna 2.0, and also Luna Luna Classic in the house. So right now, you know, you guys saw this post that came out a couple days from Elon Musk. Now the interesting thing, this is basically, I forgot the name of one of the superheroes. He's sitting on Mars. So you know, May 13th, 2021, when Bitcoin had hit the top and hit an all-time high, Elon Musk posted exactly the same picture, except the guy's back was to us. So I think what Elon Musk is doing by reposting this again, he's trying to indicate to us that Bitcoin has hit the bottom and we're going to be hitting a reversal, because you know, we're not going to the moon, we're going to Mars and beyond. So I think this is kind of, you know, one of Elon Musk's, you know, he's a bit of a trickster. And remember, Elon Musk, he has a ton of Bitcoin out there. So does he know something? Is he trying to signal to us all that the bottom is in? Maybe that's what it is. Maybe, you know, because you know, Elon Musk, he's pretty much a trickster out there, and you know, he will often, you know, paint and post cryptic messages on Twitter, and you know, a lot of people don't see it and a lot of people miss it, yeah, go back to May 13th, 2021. Elon Musk posted exactly the same picture, except the guy's back was turned to us, and that was when Bitcoin was at an all-time high of around about $69,000 in the house. So right now we're seeing Elon Musk just posted this, which is the guy looking at us. He's sitting on a crater on Mars, and I think this is, you know, Elon Musk saying, look, the bottom is in, and we're going to be seeing a huge reversal to the upside. So that is pretty interesting. So right now we're seeing that the fear and greed has gone down from 14 and it's gone down to 10. We're in extreme fear, ladies and gentlemen. So from that perspective, you know, there's still evidence that the whales are still buying. If we see the Bitfinex longs, there's, you know, we're seeing these huge long positions for Bitfinex, and we've never seen this before. The whales are absolutely buying, guys, absolutely buying, and I believe that the bottom is absolutely in, and I believe that, guys. And you can see, if you look at the 2020, 2022 fractal, you can see that right now the 2020, the 2022 fractal is very eerily similar. And you know, what I'm saying is, if you look at this descending wedge here, you can see that on the 2020, when we hit the bottom, we had a huge bullish you know, reversal to the upside. And you know, I believe that, you know, we're going to have a broadening wedge, and I think that we're going to pop pretty soon. And this is more indication, more love out there that we're definitely hitting the bottom, guys. So that is cool beans in the house, guys. So it's just amazing that this is all happening right in front of our eyes, guys. So, you know, I believe, Elon Musk believes, many of the TAs believes that the bottom is in and a reversal is imminent anytime, guys. So smash the likes, boot the likes, don't forget to give super chats. I would really appreciate it. In the house, guys. I love it, you love it. Let's get it. Now, for the price of Bitcoin right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin is up right now. It's up about 4.44%, and that's pretty good. That, you know, we're seeing a bit of reversal, even though it's the Memorial Day long weekend. You know, we're seeing a little bit of reversal in the house, so that is pretty good. We're seeing that the total market cap, right, cap is around 1.25 trillion, and that's up almost 5%. So, you know, from that perspective, it looks like it's a pretty good day out there. We're seeing Ethereum is up almost 6%. It's at 1873. I think we could see Ethereum this week probably reversing itself back up to $2,000, so that's pretty good. We're seeing that BNB is also at 4%, so that's pretty bullish, that's pretty positive in the house. So I'm loving it, you're loving it. We're seeing also right now Cardano is up as well, almost is up 9%, and maybe we can get ourselves up to 10%, and that's up at 50 cents in the house. We're seeing Solana is up 8.57%, and that's at 46.35. We're seeing Doge is up 5%, it's 8.4. So I think that, you know, we could be seeing 9 cents coming in for Doge. What do you guys think? We can see 9 cents coming in for Doge. Smash the likes, boot the likes, show some love, and don't forget to give the super chats. We're seeing Polkadot is also up right now. It's up at 10%, and that's at $10.35. We're seeing Avalanche is also doing pretty good at 13.21%. So overall, things are looking pretty good. Shiba Inu is up 11.45%. So overall, we're seeing that the altcoins are doing very, very well out there. And you know, right now, let's take a look at Terra Luna in the house right now. So we're seeing right now for Terra Luna is at 5.79%, and we're seeing that overall we're seeing a little bit of recovery today, but you know, overall we're still seeing that it's way off from its all-time highs at $18. So, you know, from my perspective, I am not going to be buying Luna. I'm staying away from Luna. I just don't believe in the team. I don't believe in Dogecoin. I mean, this could be setting us up for the next big rug pull number 2.0. So I'm staying away from it. Beat me up in the comments if you want. But, you know, like I said, if you do want to invest in Luna, remember, do not invest invest anything more than you're willing to lose, because it could be another rug pull 2.0 in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Luna Classic now. So Luna Classic right now is also up about 31%. It's about 0.00116, and that, you know, so it's coming back. But also, once again, I am not going to be investing in Luna Classic as well. I just don't believe in the project, and I think it's basically you know, I just don't believe it. So, you know, from that perspective, I can't you know, tell anybody out there to be investing in it. So this is also coming out here. This is a news article that came out, and basically what they're talking about, you know, they're saying that basically Celsius network partly responsible for Terra meltdown. So it looks like you know, one of the main wallets from Celsius, they actually did go and sell a whole bunch of their USDT. So, you know, Nysen shows that the actions of multiple large holders led to the US collapse. The firm says that one of the two wallets that drew 420 million from Anchor Protocol belongs to Celsius. So Celsius has declined to comment on its findings, but you know, the point here is, did Celsius sell their $420 million worth of USDT, you know, USD Terra? Did they do that as a reaction to the depeg, or were they one of the catalysts that caused a depeg? So we're still waiting for Celsius to comment on that. You know, and you know, until that happens, we really can't say for sure what is happening and why this is happening. But definitely, there were 7 wallets that, you know, were orchestrated the depegging, and they started to sell UST Terra, and that was one of the reasons that caused the whole depegging and the whole minting of Luna Classic, and that's why we saw this big, huge $40 billion collapse for Terra that basically destroyed the crypto markets, guys and gals. So that's you know, that is what it is from that perspective. But once again, just a, you know, a polite warning: I'm not investing in Luna. This is not financial advice. Never ever, you know, invest more than you're willing to lose. So just be careful out there, guys. Absolutely be careful. But I think that the bottom is absolutely in. All right, guys, so hopefully you guys love the video as I love you guys. Remember, this video wouldn't be possible without you, my community. I love the community. I love you guys so much, and I just want to say thank you everybody out there for watching the videos time and time again. And you know, thank you for the trust, thank you for the confidence out there. And you know, hopefully that, you know, once you know, hopefully we'll be able to arrange a huge offsite coming soon, and you know, we can all have a meetup in face-to-face. So you know, I'm going to be arranging hopefully an offsite soon to Vietnam, so you guys can all come out here, and hopefully sometime I'm going to get to the States, probably somewhere in California we're going to have an offsite too. So I just want to say I love you guys. Please share this video you know, with your friends, with your family. Let's get the message out there. And you know, I just try to provide no nonsense crypto update, crypto news, and all that stuff, and anything, and you know, show some love for the Doge community. I still think that Doge is going to absolutely explode to the moon. You know, we've got Elon Musk Starlink merge. We got Elon Musk Starlink fees going to be paid by Doge. We got you know, once this Twitter deal happens, guys, and I think it's going to be happening. I believe that you know, once this deal happens, we're going to get the Dogecoin Tip Jar, and you know, Twitter Doge is going to be the currency of Twitter, and it's just going to be fantastic, guys. It's just going to be fantastic. So don't discount the Doge. Never ever discount the Doge. So guys, go down there, check out the Linky Winks, show some love, boop the likes for humans, boop the likes for humans, guys. And you know, I'm at the beach here. Well, I'm not at the beach. I'm at the balcony near the beach. So there's a beach over there, guys. So I got a tennis court down there. So it's a great time to be alive. So I love it. You love it. I hope you love it. So guys, I'll see you in the next one. God bless. God bless each and every one of you. I can't wait till the next one. You can't wait, and I hope to see you, hope to be with you. God bless you. Peace out.